You know, I have been on so many sales calls now that any business that approaches me for my creative consulting services, I know that they are unaware of whether or not to choose a done for you service or a done with you service. Although I hear a lot कि आप ही सब कुछ कर लो, you handle everything. But when they hear the investment that is involved, they usually tend to rethink things. And well, yes, based on the scope of work, a done for you service can demand a heavy investment. But the question here is not about the money, it's about whether or not that business even requires a done for you service. Hi, I'm Garima, a creative consultant, and I help businesses to build their strategies for marketing and sales so that they are presented in front of the right audience with the right messaging. So, let me start with the difference between a done for you service and a done with you service first. A done for you service is essentially what exactly it is said, like any service is literally done for you from end to end, wherein the involvement of the founder is not so much into creating these strategies or getting anything done, but the entire thing is delegated to a service provider. Whenever a business feels like that they want to incorporate certain things in their business and they want everything to be done for them, like they do not want any involvement in the research process and creating SOPs and all of those things, that is when they approach a service provider to get everything done for them. In this, they trust the other person's expertise to incorporate everything in their business. The next one is a done with you service. In this, the service provider and the business work in a co-building manner, wherein most of the time the service provider usually gives them the strategies and the business works on those strategies by themselves. In simple terms, it is basically hand holding a business from their current state to the desired state based on the parameters that they want to incorporate in business building. Basically, a done with you service is mostly required for founders who are just starting their business or are yet to put down the exact things of how their business is going to run. It's the initial stages of business building where you want to rely on someone in order to guide you through the right direction. It's where a founder wants to be closely connected to an expert in figuring out the what, why, and how of marketing and sales, and where it is possible for an offer or product to change if at all the market research signifies a certain change in it. What kind of businesses can be beneficial from a done with you service? Well, these are coaches, solopreneurs, service providers, or creators whose identity is a big part of their business in the initial stages. It is basically a mindset shift that is required to these businesses so that they learn how to think like a business. Similarly, a done for you service is beneficial for businesses whose product or offer has been there in the market and has been validated for many years. They have generated a good deal of money out of it and now wants to just reposition themselves to grow in the market. In this, the founder does not actually have to be involved in the making and implementation of strategies, but that's exactly why they're paying the high price for, to get the accurate results and the amount of efforts an expert puts into it in order to get them. So, a done for you service is good for a super busy founder or a product based brand or business that wants a quick brand facelift. Now that you know this, I hope it makes it simple for you to choose which type of service to choose from, and not just based on money but your involvement in the work. And I will see you in the next video.